Raw Fusion. So join the movement and try something fun.
Hi, welcome to Raw Fusion Foods. Today I'm going to show you our little hangover cure, the Bloody Mary. But we make ours without the hair of the dog that bit you. So, you know, we like to think what could be a better cure than fresh tomato juice and celery. So for this recipe, we have 2 cups of tomatoes, but I'm going to add them gradually. In my blender, I already have a little bit of ice. I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of fresh ginger. One half of a tablespoon of lemon juice. A half teaspoon of sea salt. And a half teaspoon of cayenne powder. It's going to give it a nice kick. And I'm going to add just some of the tomatoes right now. I like to liquefy the ice with a little bit of tomato first, because if you're whipping the tomatoes really fast in the blender, they're going to turn really pink. So let's try to keep some of the red color here. Okay, once you have it smooth, it's ready for the glass and ready for your table. And it just wouldn't be a traditional Bloody Mary without the right garnish. This recipe is right at home in our breakfast and brunch book, which you can find at rawfusionfoods.com. We have a ton of smoothies, a ton of juices for you to try out, so check out our website and stay subscribed to our YouTube channel, because saving the world starts with you. Thanks for watching.